No pain, no gain. This video explains the meaning of this proverb and then tells how we can apply it to our lives to bring luck, overcome difficulties, succeed. Achieving success requires determination, persistence, and hard work. Every successful individual we admire today has experienced setbacks and challenges along their journey. They understood that in order to attain their goals, they had to embrace discomfort and push beyond their limits. By accepting that obstacles are a part of life's journey, we can develop a resilient mindset. Rather than fearing pain or failure, we learn to see them as opportunities for growth, improvement, and ultimately success. The video emphasizes the importance of stepping out of our comfort zones and taking risks. It encourages us to confront our fears and embrace challenges head-on. Additionally, the video highlights the significance of consistency and discipline. It reminds us that progress is gradual and may not be immediately gratifying. True success comes from consistent effort, day in and day out. Whether it's in academics, sports, or personal development, the principle remains the same: putting in the work, even when the going gets tough. Moreover, the video suggests that when faced with difficulties, we should shift our perspective and see them as opportunities to build character and resilience. By reframing our mindset, we can tackle challenges with a positive attitude and leverage them to learn valuable lessons that can propel us forward. In conclusion, the saying, "No pain, no gain," resonates deeply because it encapsulates the essence of the transformative journey towards success. It reminds us that without facing adversity and embracing discomfort, we cannot expect to achieve our goals. Instead of shying away from challenges, we must learn to confront them head-on and see them as opportunities for growth and improvement. By adopting a resilient mindset, consistently putting in the necessary effort, and embracing discomfort, we pave the way for personal and professional success. So, remember, no pain, no gain. No pain, no gain. The journey to success is not easy, but the rewards are worth it. When we push ourselves beyond our limits and embrace discomfort, we discover our true potential. It is through the challenges we face that we grow stronger, both mentally and emotionally. Success is not handed to us on a silver platter. It is earned through hard work, determination, and perseverance. So let us embrace the pain, for within it lies the gain we seek. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment and subscribe to the channel.